If you're experiencing the cloud save error 2025 in Apex Legends, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and unlock your game progress. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends Twitter or website to confirm if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error may be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Clear cache. For console users, clear the cache by turning off your console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC users, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting the cache folder. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game platform like Origin or Steam to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 5. Relink your account. If the error persists, try unlinking and then relinking your EA account from the Apex Legends settings. This can help refresh your account connection and resolve any sync issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cloud save error 2025 in Apex Legends. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.